poke around a little bit, see if there's any fish that haven't packed it in for the winter. This rain is light. It should stop about an hour, I hope. I'm gonna start taking a peek at what the fish finder says. They're supposed to be waterproof, but I kind of don't want to get it soaked if I don't have to. And all right, wow, water temp is still relatively warm for late November. That would be 50 degrees. Totally surprised. $49 once you get away from shore. Alright, that starts to feel a bit more, right? I'm really excited to use this one. I'm really excited to catch something on this one. Hopefully that's the case. I've used it once or twice before. This one I did different than the other ones in the past. I don't think I filmed myself making it, but I'll explain the difference. This was aluminum, like duct foil that you use for home stuff, and then I painted on top of it. And it was a couple years ago, right around this location, this time of year, a little bit warmer temperature than this. I had crazy luck catching crappie after crappie on a 110 plus 1 jerk bait. Oh. Got something. Wow, that's a nice perch. Wowie, look at that. Holy moly. Get you back in, lady. Hold on. Soon. Look at that perch. Holy crap. What a beauty. Bye. That was fun. I really didn't expect to catch any more fish this year. Granted, this is a big lure too. In the main part of the lake, the deeper part of the water is way colder than what do we got? Then yeah, the crappie again. Look at that. That's a good one. The water's way colder than the edges. This is 45 degrees. Sorry, 40 degrees, while the edges were 48 degrees. Hey bud, number 2. Really love this combo. This HMG, this is a medium 6.8, moderate fast. And this is my Shimano Calcutta 100A. I got this new old stock on eBay. It was sitting in a box, never opened. This is actually my favorite baitcaster, and then my Abu C4 that I use for bottom fishing, heavy stuff out in the ocean. That's my second favorite. Caught something. when I just shut off the oh, I gotta get this guy off. That's not fair. Foul hooked a big crappie. Hold on, bud. Good. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna throw a gulp on. This is probably my ultimate confidence bait. Just see if any of these fish I'm marking here are gonna bite and see what they are. I usually don't put a jig head on them, but since most of the weeds are probably died down for the winter, I feel like I can confidently use a little jig head instead of a drop shot and get the fish down to where, get the lure down to where the fish are. Did I just catch something? Or dead sticking? Yup. Crappie. Nice. Cool. That's a good hook set too. Alright. Now that I know that that's also working. These fish are cold, man. They're cold. Something on the troll. I wouldn't be surprised if it's a crappie or a bluegill. Oh, it's another nice yellow perch. These are so pretty. That's a nice one. Look at those colors. See ya.